counselor. Stephanie? Yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. You too. We got the order, guys. We're moving and grooving. We got a nice amount of people in here. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button while we drop off this Dairy Queen order. We are also trying to hit 70 likes so we can go ahead and get that algorithm going, and I appreciate you being here. That Dairy Queen is moving and grooving today. Somebody in the live chat said Dairy Queen was slow, and while situationally that can be true, I think during these colder times when it got snow on the ground, we see less Dairy Queen orders going out, which in turn means that they get the orders facilitated quicker because their system is not overloaded with ice cream orders. So with that being said, it works in our favor to pick up low distance delivery ice cream orders when it's snowing, because the typical ice cream customer is not going to be placing an order right now. This is what I would call a rare order during the winter months. But they still doing business. They still got the doors open. They still paying the employees, so they must be selling enough, you know, chicken and fry baskets along with the ice cream orders to keep the lights on, which is good for everybody, right? Now this order is going right down the street. That's why I took it. I knew it wasn't going terribly far, but you definitely got to make sure that you're keeping that in account when you multi-app and how far is this going? Is it taking me out of my zone? I didn't want to go really far at all, so this one was an okay order for me to take and continue multi-apping with. Roll out, best not to be by any slight. You right about that. Oh my goodness, I ain't trying to lose no more minutes to that tonight. We are at the 52-minute mark. Guys, we got 8 minutes left on this live stream. Do me a favor, guys. Let me know how much money you made so far today. Drop it in the live chat. How much money have you made? Did you hit your goal? And what apps are you using today? And what apps are you planning on using next week? I'm gonna let you know right now a little bit of my plan while we got this last few minutes. Shout out to Sharp. You just got home. Glad you made it home safely. So my plan for this next coming week is to turn Spark back on. Try to make 200 per day with Spark early in the day. And by the evening time, switch over to the food delivery like how we're doing right now. My strategy as of late has been kind of just multi-app as much as I can all day. But I'm trying to get back to you using that Walmart Spark solamente in the morning and then switch over to food delivery in the evening time. So we're going to see how that works out. We're going to see if I'm able to stick with that plan. All right, we gotta go down here, down in the cut. They live down in the cut, guys. And shout out to the 4 new subscribers who just hit that subscribe button, y'all. I don't know who it was, but you are an MVP. Oh, we was just over here the other day. I remember this turn. Yep. Yep. I'm not entering no PIN number for these people. Hell no. I was just over here. This ain't even a bad order though. Look at that big ass raccoon. Look at that big ass raccoon, bruh. Look at that shit. That's crazy. Almost got his ass hit. It ain't got no tail. Why it ain't got no tail? Why the hell that raccoon ain't got no tail, y'all? Ain't this a bitch? I'm just trying to deliver an order and we got a whole raccoon in the middle of the street. And he ain't even scared. Get your ass out of here. Oh, man. That raccoon was big as hell. He walking like he trying to set me up, ain't he? He walking like he trying to rob me. Oh, hell no.